Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yuak kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Ada nanti kelinti.
Nga soban ay kublewi yaki nong tebut padun borom jongka konsumsi jonga ka 19 Sor Shillong but haga daga genti ka per ba boro kijej bin rio kijej nyam ba per ki ami pat ba na do mista banya tebut bar nomor bakia kumanga let man ki jaka ban pelong jelang nga request yaki ba umday ba persabe ya gabuot ka bakoror ka jopi si sensan sem takadaw ki suwi takadaw itnat ba everywhere ngayo report ba baro kita ben ki kroro ki bompadap pra pusem ru kiawan yang lain te kalong ka response kalong very positive but ru nga suban ay kublay ru ya baro ki tuki dong kemi kilong pa ki may 8 pa 8 jungi ka bladap pra pusem seneng ru mataka kenti kilakmen ba nomor ba Narendra Modi lawan rakyat ka we ka kaan thamai ba ki tuki bladap pra pusem seneng kilai yo ban tap hajaka tia la ni hajaka jaka song yo ki hai this is very best, that is the best work of Narendra Modi ba uai ba ka kubor bu ai Narendra Modi prime minister jongi kalong baki tu kat bo boleh udang ai ka men sim yaki udang kerku yaki bagi im suk hana partai kini benyo ya rights to vote nomor ba borok kata Kisem bun ki ba myo beli bun nomor melak ban kit ban ba again rementa kala suk. There is a good work after 75 years of a republic. Independence. First, Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, he have given the rights to all the senior citizens, those who have attained the age of 18 and above.
The new faces and the new set of candidates, the young fresh candidates, I'm sure people would be putting their trust in them because they've seen all these 5 years what has been happening, and I'm sure they'll vote the Congress back to power. I feel I've always been confident and I still feel confident. My voice is gone though. I've been shouting so much, but I know this is going to happen.
Okay. You're confident enough?
Yeah, very confident that it will be the mandate of the people for the Congress.
Dapat kamram najong kepada kebentar juga election commission bah yang berjiat nama kafar dengan skam bah kuki baik kinsim ya ka bentar kepada belum kupuram dekat election commission bikin pendapat kamram dah tapi jiat nama kafar jiat dekat start kecil berkat nak kalau je mulai konsensus.
Very confident, of course. In terms of winning these elections, I see a lot of young voters that are coming out, and that's a very good sign, I think, because the voter turnout I expect to be much better than it was the day before, and I think that will show that at least the need for change is very much there, and I'm very happy to see that a lot more people, especially at this time of the day, have started coming out. I think confidence, we're very much confident. We feel that there's a wave. We feel that the people need a change, and I understand that it's a tough fight, but it's a good fight, and I think this is a celebration of democracy. What is the first agenda? The first agenda is very plain and simple. Yeah, better governance, transparency, development, and more or less the most important thing is, I think, creation of employment programs for the public at large and for the young generation especially. I think these are very important aspects, especially in this constituency.
Linti hamtam ni samla jungi baki samla kin pen klan susu LD that information that jingnang start kanang baki hi kin penakam yang ni ki MLA lani ki candidate kum kita kitiar lani ki atiar ban pen bahai ke jing nuki kini ki breo ki bingin thong mentah kin David tang kinong tre kini ki samla khamta me ki samla ki den penakam ki kumta ngi ong pi bi de banata ngi ong pi bi de pen dap kane kumta ka de manno handai ka basusi baro sikato bai khamta mi kini ki balarem kadai bet kum da kumoy da kompong kadai bet maki kin batai ngi ni ki kalat da biki wanwa di ka bor ba ka boru kami no pat ba te ngang kermen ki samla menta kin de shu ki bas pediang bet ka bas batai na jrong ki kali bet ki linga bas ba ka
Don bet hi abro laingut namar ba hi manu unu brero unum dan bo unum kmilanti ba bala bet yu sumbai unum yo ban khaju so tang balong ha ka jingye dei pade bat ka election kam da dei e tang ka jing bet jong utau sumbai ka jing tre shitom jong utau nong bet sumbai hande ka shong ru ka jing sgo thu jong kita ki ba pet pat mo yakini ki candidate stengi IT ni ai be ya kamon ho pat ba hi bo unya jiet bo unya rai ke lada kalong gum nuruk gin ya buram ya kata karai ke jong upat ba namar hi ha ka jing ya kun hi undong job borobar undong tang ubai tibat ni ha bani respect ya kata ka jing jiet ke jong upat ba di khmi lenti ba unu ba job ru le sila da dei mangani da dei manu ru ba ya ka ai ka kular ka ba kilakran ki bala khlai ha ka por ba kidang ya kandu ki pat ba ka por ba ki kran ki mat ki election kin pendap ke je kata ka ba kilakran.
See, I'm very confident that I'll come back again as Assembly of Millennium Constituency. The reason is that for the past 5 years I have done my 7% performance in my constituency. So I do hope people they know me very well. They know how I perform in my constituency. So obviously they will vote for me.